being on YouTube, I should have a makeup crew right here, right? Just kidding. What's up, Tire Garage TV? Welcome to the channel. It's actually Saturday. It's been a rough week. I'm getting a little sick. I don't know what's going on. Yesterday, I wasn't drinking much. My throat's kind of bugging me. Either way, it sucks. Anyways, welcome to the channel. And my name is Pablo. I am the owner, manager, custodian. I do everything around here. This is a tire garage located in Southern California. Anything fun with cars, I love to do. So I record it, post it on here for you guys to enjoy too. All right, what do we got today? Today I got a 2004 Toyota Highlander. Doing 4 struts. I got them here on the floor. Doing 4 struts. That one's already done, so I already did the rear. I got the front to do. 4 struts, like I said. We're doing front brakes, oil. Windows don't roll up, so we're doing the front and back window regulator, I think, which is what I think. I haven't checked it. I think that's what it is. So let's get to work. Let's get to work, motherfuckers. Actually, I've been working. Check it out. This strut is done. Good to go. Nice and tight. Crazy part about struts is you gotta disassemble them and then reassemble them. That one's pretty much in too, but I need to tighten everything down. So, see, this one and this one, they're still loose. So let's tighten everything down. But before we do, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Come on. All this car stuff that we do here, it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned. Let's get to work. So like I said, everything is already there. We just gotta tighten everything down. I think that's about it. I'm gonna hit everything with the torque wrench just to make sure it's as tight as it's supposed to be. There you go. There's the old strut right there. So that's going to the trash. Let me see. These got tightened down pretty good too. So 1, 2, 3, and this cap. And this piece just goes over. Start cleaning up so I can go. Sorry, I'm all sweaty. It's hot today in SoCal. It's like 92 degrees and humid too. You know how to do brakes. You want me to show you? Let's just go through it real quick. Fast forward through this shit. That's how you lose those. This is the second one I've gone through of this same one. Can't lose this thing. Happy Monday. The funky thing is, this car's been dropping spiders. I think it's been stored for a long time. Because look, it's got a bunch of spider webs anywhere. And this morning, it had a few hanging down here and here. They were just hanging down onto the floor of the car. I swear, in 3 different spots. And look, I just smashed another spider web here. So there's probably a shitload of spiders in my shop now. Look, there's another one. See it? I don't know if you can see it. But here's another spider web right here. So there's probably a ton of spiders in my shop now. Or maybe it's just one big one. Uh-oh. So let's get the struts and the front brakes done. Get to work. So get to work. What's up, fam? Check this out. It's Tuesday. What did I tell you yesterday about these spider webs? Or about this car? This car has a bunch of spiders in it. Because, look, I don't know if you could tell. There's a bunch of spider webs there, and it comes all the way down here, and it just spreads. It goes like this. It comes down here, that way, this way, and this way. It literally spreads like a hand. That's crazy. And this was done last night. There's another one over here, look. Same thing, comes down and just spreads. Got spiders all over this bitch. And it's all this car that's bringing the spiders. There's one even on that corner. That's a busy ass spider. Wow. Either it's multiple. I feel like it's one. I don't know. No idea. Anyways, let's get this one out of here. Let's start working on this one. This one's got to be done. I'm falling behind on this one because the struts, actually, the strut compressing tools that I have don't compress the spring enough. I've got to replace the bearing that's on top of this one because this one doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound okay, so I got to replace that bearing. Meaning, it's cheaper to buy the whole assembly, which comes the strut coil and the bearing all together, and just replace the whole thing. The struts in, the top nuts are just in place, but I'm gonna tighten this up and then tighten the top up too. One of these stupid struts had a burr on the inside of here, right? So I was pushing it and pressuring it. So let me show you. Look what it created. That's not cool. It created that gash right there. And it had a burr on the inside. So that little piece of welding that they fucked up on, I grinded it out, but when I forced the bolt in, it scratched it up. So let's see if I can force it in and not damage this. If not, I would have to order another one. Okay. I still gotta torque it to specs, but at least it's in. So it didn't damage it, I don't think. It did good. What's up, Tigergrass TV? Thank you for watching. I'm gonna cut this video short right here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being on the channel. That video was actually recorded, I think it was like September of 2019, pre-coronavirus season. I had a little cough, a little cold, so I was getting a little sick. Right now, too, I usually sound a little stuffy. I need surgery in my nose. Sometimes I sound stuffy. Present day, April 30th is fact today. We got the coronavirus and all that situation going on, so I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying healthy. But anyways, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being on the channel. And I'm going to put my Instagram up here, and then I'll put the shop Instagram up here. Go ahead and follow those accounts. I post a lot of stories, do stuff on the daily out there. So that's a good way to keep up with me and all this crazy fun stuff that I do, whether it be with cars or with the other channel, because I got another channel too, Vamanos Getaway Vlog. And so join me for that. And lastly, I just want to ask you, go down to the comment section, go down to the description, and click on the links. Use those links. Those are Amazon links that actually take you to pages. Actually, they just canceled that affiliate program, so I'm gonna have to update all the links that I used even for the old episodes, because they kicked me out because, well, honestly, you guys ain't supporting. So help me, come on, dude. Help me support the channel by clicking. You know you buy anything from Amazon anyway. Help me use those links down below. Buy anything that you would normally buy from Amazon. Just buy it through those links. It helps me support the channel. That way I can keep bringing content just like this right to you. Okay? I appreciate you. And you know the saying. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Catch you on the next one. Peace.